Hi, Sir Jace. Morning.
Hello.
Ano oras na?
Ha?
Ano oras na?
Magpo-4.
Okay, good morning, guys. Today is July 31 and time check, it's already 3:45. Di ko alam. Di ko man talaga alam basahin tong relo na to. Kasi wala namang numbers. Ayun, nakita niya ba yan? Ayoko magpanggap, okay? Wala tayo sa mood today. So, anto ka ako, tutulog mo na ako kabalagaan. Okay, bye. Time check, it's now 8:20 ba? 8:20. And ngayon pala kami sasakay ng plane. Kasi na-delay pa yung ano. Yeah. Hanoi, oh, yung adventure. Hey.
Kung gumagamit ng electronic devices,
Wala nga siya yung pangba.
Merry Christmas, we wish you everybody, thank you.
Ika muna
Sir Ika, time for room tour. Let's go! Kaya hindi pa nagbuksan, guys. But yeah, ito yung entrance. So pagkapasok mo, ito yung una mo makikita. And that's me.
Okay na, tapos na kayo mag-video.
And then this Ronnie. And then Sia. We're the Markham department, you know what I'm saying? And then...
Ako next.
hindi na magiging seryoso to! Basta may bed dyan. And then... kung ano man tawag dyan. And then we have a mini sala there. And then as you can see, meron kaming sarili naming pool, guys. My gosh. I cannot. Papakita ko sa inyo tomorrow morning. Kasi mas maganda yung view. But look at this. Oh my gosh. Ooh. And then, nakita ko sa inyo, pagpasok nyo dito, there is a bathtub. And then, andito yung toilet. Akala ko dito yung rain shower, pero hindi pala. We have 2 mirrors. And then, dito ata yung rain shower. Yeah. Oh my gosh, ang laki niya. Fairness. Oh my gosh, ito pala. Yan, baka dito sa Miss Ronnie na lang magstay. And then, look at her view. So, meron siyang pool view. Meron din TV. And then, yeah. Yan yung makikita mo sa labas. So, yeah, mag-dinner muna tayo. Okay, ang mga vloggers. Vlogger number 1. Uy, meron nilalabasan pa si Miss Ronnie doon. Tingnan natin. See, tara! Ayan pala si Miss Ronnie. Vlogger din siya. If you want to follow her at yung social media account niya. Wow! Grabe guys, paglabas ng villa namin, ito agad yung makikita mo. Look at that view. And this view. And this view. Sir, finally, my luggage is here. Thank you po. After mag-room tour. Ngayon pa lang na ano. Thank you po. Sir, at dahil dyan, sasarado na ang pinto, dito ka na po matutulog.
Sure.
Thank you po.
So, nagre-refill ng cookies si sir. Look at this.
Ano siya ma'am? Lamin
Complimentary.
Ew, so ubusin natin lahat yan.
Yeah.
Mag-grocery pa kami sa'yo.
Ha?
Thank you. Hi, Miss Rons. Okay, this is a vlog. Nasaan tayo tonight?
Right now at D-Mall. That's it. Thank you.
Okay, so you can see. Okay.
We're at D-Mall.
We're at D-Mall. What D?
The D.
Okay guys, finally, after 5 kilometers.
Welcome to
After 5 kilometer walk, dito na po kami mapapadpad. Aqua Fresh.
wave our hands at every single airplane in the sky. Under blue skies, sunshine, a bottle of wine. Talk about our daydreams, hey, it seems we're crossing the line.
Good morning guys! So today is August 1 and kakatapos ko na mag-breakfast. Ito pala yung villa namin. So pupunta muna tayo kay Miko cause magpa-practice kami for our chant. Dapat di tayo matatalo. Okay. Okay, room tour. Hi! Ate, isa kayo ng kama!
Tapos si
kayo ni GM dito?
si GM.
Oo. So, sing tayo. Hoy, naka-vlog talaga. At may TV pa kayo. May TV pa kayo.
Kasi dahil dito.
Ang social May TV din ba kami? Parang meron. Kasi may remote din yung bathtub. And ito si Tri. Wow, si Princess naman. Eh. Oops, sorry.
Meron na.
Maganda ang gumawa.
Miko, meron na.
Hey. Make me say. Make me harder. Make me lose my breath. Make me harder. So guys, ito ang costume natin. Miko. Sia. Pia. Jinky. Drone to drone.
Keep our customers top of mind. So,
and videographer. Hi guys! Good evening! This is my fit for tonight's dinner. Oh!
Alam mo, nakakain. May pakulo rin tayo. So, kusina ko ng table kaya nakakain.
In the moonlight, eyes so deep like midnight. Feel the heartbeat uptight. Close to me every night.
Good morning, guys! Today is August 2 and I'm with Sia and Juju. Hi! So we're on our way sa lobby. Mag-island hopping kami today. Yun yung activity namin. Then later, magpa-party kami, guys. After dinner. Actually, late na kami tatlo. Dapat ang meet-up is 8. Pero mga ano na, 8, ano oras na? 8:48 na. So yeah.
It's 8:49 there long.
Nico Dali Vlog! Saan tayo pupunta? Uy, ganda mo dito.
Going to,
Yeah,
Cebu Island.
Cebu Island.
Yeah. Island hopping.
And then,
Later we're going to the...
I try not to judge, I feel better, and I just wear this love like a sweater, and I don't drink the tea, I don't like it. You're up to the bass drum, you're up to the bass drum. I just wanna live my life, so let me live. Open and close your eyes, and we'll find beauty. Write down your grocery list, tell me what you need. Honey, so sweet.
yay! Inaantay talaga namin yan. Guys, hindi to scripted Inaantay talaga namin yan. Yung crinkles, masarap din.
Kakainin namin. Walang twinkle, sir.
Ano lang, kahapon lang po. Iba naman kasi namin.
Okay, ano yan, sir?
Biscuit po.
Sir, ganun ka muna. Thank you, sir. We're now on our way to...
Masay!
Kuya, puti mo dito
Our dinner.
Parang hindi na-injure sa ano.
Yeah.
Sa
Parang walang
UFO. Parang walang nangyari. Parang walang arthritis. Guys, nabalian siya ng likod. Charing. 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's go, guys. Charing.
Akong secretary kanina talaga.
Saan ba dito? Dito?
Ito yan, meron.
Napakalaki ng Crimson Boracay.
Ito yung sinasabi mo so.
Parang masaya dito makapagtago-tago ano. Walang mananalo pag dito nagtago-tagoan. Yung kulang yung isang araw para mahanap mo yung mga nagtatago. Nagandahan. 3, 2, 1, go. Kaya ganda-gandahan. Ganda-gandahan. Nat, ganda-gandahan. Review yan, review. So, una pong ibababa si Ju. And, anong villa number mo? 114. Guys, dito kami sa pinakababa. Alright. Bye, Ju! Good night! Buyers! Dapat di magising si Miss Ronnie kasi natutulog nata siya. So, yeah. Slowly. Kaya nga. Hindi na aga-aga. Morning. Hi, GM. Good morning, GM.
Morning. Boses.
Wala na mga boses eh.
I try not